If you've been looking to download Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer, the process is pretty straightforward. While PowerPoint is usually bundled with the Microsoft Office suite, you can also download it as a standalone app. Here's how you can do it easily. Start by visiting the official Microsoft website. Go to the PowerPoint purchase page, where you can buy PowerPoint by itself for around $159.99. If you're a student, there's a discounted option available on the PowerPoint home and student page, usually for $79.99 before you buy. Make sure to scroll down and check the requirements section. This ensures that your computer meets the minimum specs, like having Windows 10, Windows 11, or Mac OS, as well as enough memory and disk space. Once you're ready, click on Buy Now. You'll be redirected to your cart, where you can review your order. Keep in mind that you're buying a digital copy of PowerPoint. You won't receive a physical disk. When you're ready, select Checkout. If you already have a Microsoft account, just sign in. If not, you can easily create one during the process. After that, choose your payment method. Add a promo code if you have one, and then select Place Order. Take note that the payment is charged immediately and that purchases for PowerPoint are non-refundable. Once your order is complete, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install PowerPoint on your device. And that's it. Once the installation finishes, you'll have PowerPoint ready to use on your computer, allowing you to create, edit, and present slides just like a pro.